In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add kickchat overlay to your stream in OBS Studio. We'll bring your kickchat right into OBS using the built-in custom browser dock, so you can follow conversations while you stream without switching screens. First, make sure kick streaming is available in your region and that the site loads normally for you. If the service isn't supported or is experiencing outages where you are, the chat won't embed correctly in OBS, so it's worth confirming before you start. Next, open a web browser and sign in to your Kick account. Keep the browser handy, we're going to pull a special chat link from your channel in just a moment. Head to your channel page and open the chat settings menu. Look for the option labeled Pop Out Chat and select it. This opens your chat in a separate browser window. That pop-out has a unique web address made for embedding. Highlight and copy the full URL from the address bar. That's the link OBS will use to display your chat. Now switch to OBS Studio. At the top of the window, open the Docs menu. Docs are movable panels inside OBS that let you pin tools and web pages right where you want them, which is perfect for chat. Choose Custom Browser Docs. This brings up a small window where you can create new docs. In the name field, type kickchat so it's easy to recognize. In the URL field next to it, paste the pop-out chat link you copied from your browser. Double check that you didn't include any extra spaces. Click Apply, then close the window. You'll see a new panel titled kickchat appear inside OBS. You can drag this panel to any edge of the interface until it snaps into place or leave it floating. Resize it to fit your layout and you're done. If you don't see it immediately, reopen the Docs menu and ensure your new doc is checked so it's visible. A quick note for clarity, this method adds chat to your OBS workspace so you can monitor messages. It does not put chat on the video your viewers see. If you ever want chat on screen, you would use a browser source in a scene instead. For monitoring, though, a custom doc is fast, reliable, and keeps your workflow clean. That's it. Test the setup before you go live to confirm messages appear in real time, then stream with confidence, knowing your kick chat is right where you need it in OBS.